Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve content creation with Grammarly easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Grammarly website at www.grammarly.com. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you can either start a new document or upload an existing one. To create a new document, click on the New Document button. In the editing pane, you can start typing your content directly. If you prefer to upload a file, select Upload from the menu and choose your document. Grammarly will automatically scan your text for errors and suggestions. You'll see underlined words and phrases indicating areas that need attention. Hover over the underlines to see Grammarly's suggestions for improvement. For spelling errors, click on the suggestion to correct it instantly. In the case of grammar mistakes, read the explanation provided before accepting it. If you're unsure of a suggestion, you can click on Learn More for additional context. Grammarly also provides tone detection to help ensure your writing aligns with your intent. Look for the tone indicator on the right sidebar for insights on how your text may be perceived. Additionally, use the Goals feature to customize your writing style based on your audience. Set parameters like formality, intent, audience, and domain for better targeted suggestions. As you edit your content, take advantage of the plagiarism checker to ensure originality. Simply click on the plagiarism option in the sidebar to run a check. Once you've made your revisions, click Download to save your document. Alternatively, you can copy your text directly from the Grammarly editor. Regularly using Grammarly will help you become a more effective writer over time. Practice incorporating its feedback into your future content for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.